Hare Krishna devotees. So this tutorial video is about second variation of the Drut Keharava Taal. So already we have learnt one variation of Drut Keharava Taal, which we also call as fast beat. Okay. So that variation was, if you remember, if not, you can go back and watch that video and practice it first before going ahead with this video. Okay. So this is the second variation of Drut Keharava Taal. So just to remind or to connect both the beats, the first variation was Ghin Nate Naghe Dhe Na. 6 matra. Dhe Na was one beat only, so Ghin Nate Naghe Dhe Na. Now if we compare the bowls or matra, this beat also having 6 matra. Okay, but we are skipping one bowl from the previous beat, that is na. Ghin Nate Na. So this is we are not having in this current variation which we are going to learn. It will be a gap. Ghin Nate gap Ghe Dhe Na. Got it? Same bowls are same, only one na is missing. Instead of that we have gap. Okay, so these are the bowls, but these same bowls are played differently in this beat, in this tal. Okay, so I will show you in detail way, but as always we begin, how we begin learning any new tal, we first hear how this tal is played in kirtan, so that our mind knows that after learning what should be my end goal, right? How it should sound in the kirtan. Okay, so my practice will be aligned to achieve that sound. So I will show you first this beat. Okay, I will not show both the ends in detail. I will show currently, just try to hear. Okay, so Ghin Nate Ghe Dhe Na, Ghin Nate Ghe Dhe Na, Ghin Nate Ghe Dhe Na. Radha Vinod Radha Vinod Radhe. Jagannath Jaya Baladeva Subhadra Mai Jaya Sudarshana. Okay, this is how we can play Jaya Jaya Prabhupada or any fast beat. You can apply this kirtan. Okay, so let's begin. Now I will try to show you the full Mridanga sides so that you can see and practice along with me. Okay, so as I told, it is 6 matras, so I will divide it into 3 and 3. Okay, so it is easy also. So 3 plus 3. So Ghin Nate before gap, then Ghe Dhe Na including gap 3, gap Ghe and Dhe Na 3. So we will learn first Ghin Nate. Okay, so Ghin is same as the previous tal we learned. Ghin, Ghin. Okay, now na is little different than the previous beat. Na is 3 finger close. Okay, so Ghin Na, Ghin Na, Ghin Na, Ghin Na. Okay, now ta is, you have to pay attention. Both hands we have to play together. Okay, so on the smaller side we have to play close, big side close. At the same time, on the smaller side, one finger out together. Okay, I am playing together both the hands. Te, 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 te. So Ghin. Okay, Ghin Na Te. Te is that left hand also I am playing. Okay, Ghin Na Te, Ghin Na Te, Ghin Na Te, Ghin Na Te. You can see how my right hand is moving, or the smaller side. You can see it is moving up and down, not side to side. Okay, so while practice also you can make this a habit. Hand should move vertically. Okay, so Ghin Nate, Ghin Nate, Ghin Nate, Ghin Nate, Ghinnate, 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 ghinnate. Okay, hope it is clear. If still you need practice, you can pause the video and practice these three matras properly for some time, then we will go ahead. Ghinnate, then there is gap. Ghinnate, so you have to stop, wait for some time. How much time? That depends on the laya. As in the previous one of the tutorial, I have explained what is laya. Laya is distance between two matras, two beats. Okay, so that distance can vary. If the although this is a fast beat, but also it can also be played with different laya. Okay, little slow, little fast, very fast. Okay, so that we will see when we actually apply in the kirtan. But till now you remember that gap. Okay, some gap. So ghinnate, gap. Ghe dhena, ghe dhena, dhena is one bit only. So what is ghe? Again it is same as ghin. Ghe, little faint you have to play. Ghe. Okay, then dhe is combination of both the hands. Dhe is big side open, okay, plus three finger closed together. Dhe, 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 and na. Na is only one finger out. So now three we learned. Okay, ghe dhena, I will show you. Okay, ghe dhe na, ghe dhena, ghe dhena, ghe dhena, ghe dhena, ghe dhena, ghe dhena. As I told, dhena you can play in a very fast dhena. Ghe and dhena there should be gap. Okay, gap means proper whatever gap should be there in two beats, that should be there. Okay, ghe dhena, 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 ghe dhena. Okay, now you practice or pause the video, practice ghe dhena, ghe dhena, two matras. Ghe dhena, one is gap, before that there is gap. Once you feel comfortable, we will combine the first three matras which we learned. Ghinnate, gap, ghe dhena, ghinnate, gap, ghe dhena, 6, like that. Okay, so please practice these three plus those three separately for some time, then try to combine them. Okay, now let's try to combine. First we will try to play slowly, although this is a fast beat, but initially to make our hand flexible, we will try to play it in a slow pace only. Ghin nate, ghe dhena, ghin nate, ghe dhena, ghin nate, ghe dhena. So for some time I will show you my smaller side, okay, then the bigger side. Ghinnate, ghe dhena, 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 ghinnate, ghe dhena. You see how my hand is moving? This is how hand should move while practicing. Okay. Ghinnate, ghe dhena, 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 ghinnate. Ghe dhena, ghinnate, ghe Okay, so in the same pattern you have to practice how I am playing. You can follow along with me. If it is difficult, little slow, also you can follow. So once you practice this mantra nicely, then the next part will be, we will try to apply it in kirtan. For that I will make the separate video. Okay, how this beat can be applied into kirtan, for fast kirtan, okay, or ending of the kirtan. Okay, but for now you can practice this. Okay, so we end this video here. Hare Krishna.